All right, here we go. We've got our temporary exhaust on there. Keys off at the moment. Key on. Values come up. She's not quite straight piped, but I don't have a muffler on it. So I'm right where I want to be on the idle. I got to hook up the fan, so I can only run them for a short time. No smoky. Smells good. So I can do it from out there, or I can do it. Yeah. It's gonna be an angry truck. I like it. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Anybody know how 3 links do at burnouts? Gonna be interesting.